Hello and welcome to How to Play Game of Pure Strategy, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Game of Pure Strategy. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 players. A deck of cards is sorted by suits. 1 suit is set aside and not used in the game. Each player takes a full suit of cards. The last suit is shuffled and is placed face down in the middle. The object of the game is to win more points than your opponent. The points are won based on the card flipped in the middle. The player that plays the higher ranking card wins the middle card. The cards are ranked with kings being the highest down to the aces being the lowest. For this tutorial, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other player. The game begins by flipping the top card of the middle stack. Each player will select 1 card from their hands to bid on the middle card. Players will lay their selected card face down in the middle. Once both cards are down, they are flipped up. The player with the higher ranking card wins the middle card. The player's bid cards are discarded. The next top card is flipped from the middle stack. Players again lay a selected bid card face down in the middle. The bid cards are flipped up, and the player with the higher ranking card wins the middle card. This process continues until all cards have been played. At the end of the game, players add up the cards won from the middle. The aces count as 1 point, 2 through 10 are face value, jack is 11, queen is 12, king is 13 points. Player 1 won 40 points. Player 2 won 51 points. Player 2 wins the game. If both players play the same bid card, there are 2 variations on how to play. 1. The bid cards are discarded and the next middle card is added to the previous card. Players then bid to win both cards. The other variation is for the middle card to be discarded on a tie. If there is a tie on the last bid cards, no player wins the middle card, or cards if multiple cards are in the middle. That wraps up how to play Game of Pure Strategy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!